Alright, let's cut the flop. If you have been frustrated with AI images looking random, inconsistent, or just flat out unusable, Seedream 4.0 is about to change everything. It is not just another AI tool. This update brings consistent characters, generations, generative fill, and seriously accurate text to image. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use CGM, CGM 4.0 step by step. So you can start creating professional level AI visuals without wasting hours tweaking prompts. So let's get into it. First, come to this website. I'll provide the link in the description, obviously, and simply log in with any of your email. Once you log in, the interface looks clean and familiar. Prompt box on the bottom, on the middle, preview section on the left. The update does not need extra plugins. It's built in, but its real power comes from how you write prompts. That's what we'll unlock in a second. So, after coming to this website, simply click on the generate images. It uses CGM 4.0. And here's the trick. First, he'll have to generate a base character. So for that, make a prompt with ChatGPT or any AI you want. I'm going with ChatGPT. GPT has given me a character prompt. Let's see what it can make. Okay, so here's the base character. Now I'll have to copy the seed ID. Like as you can see, Arya Vera, 23-year-old woman with long silver hair, fades into soft lavender at the tip, violet eyes. Okay, her face shape is sleek black leather jacket. So whether it has created, since we have already saw a character, let's add some variations. Like it's wearing, let's make it red. Right now it says a leather jacket. Okay, let's make it wears a sleek shirt over a fitted white t-shirt, seeing dark jeans. Let's make it light jeans. Combat boots. Okay, let's leave. Okay, now let's see. See, the face has remained as same, but it's literally the same photo. As you can see, nothing has changed. Only besides the shirt and the jeans color. Nice. Although it messed up right here. The character is same, but I have told it to change the shirt, but it didn't. Okay, so here's the base character. You have got the base character. Now simply all you have to do is to make any prompt or say anything to do it, like sitting on a bus. Simply the all you have to do is to create the base character at first. After that, simply giving new prompts will generate new images. And also, as you can see, everything is same, just the position has shifted. That's how simple it is. So now let's talk about generative fill, my favorite one. This lets you erase or extend parts of an image, and Seedream fills it like in seamlessly. For example, if you want to change something, simply drag and drop the video to the AI and simply write it down. I want this photo. Okay, in this image, there is only one dragon. Make it fly. Let's see what it does. And by the way, to be honest, I am also testing it for the first time. So let's see. Okay, it's taking a few time, as you can see. Right now, this one sucks, but yeah, it made a good image with for this. Nice. Okay, here's another image, and I'll say add. Let's see what it can make. I have added an image and told this to add this dragon into this image. Let's see what it can be. Okay, it's taking a few minutes. It's already 45 seconds. I think it would take more than a minute. Okay, it's done. I have expected it to be make something better. This one sucks. This one looks kinda okay, to be honest. Let's say to make it simple. Let's see. I didn't like this one. This one was a little bit okay, but this one sucks. Okay. Now let's okay, so as you can see, it has generated only one image. The second one says something went wrong with this response. Okay. And here's the thing. You'll have to Right comes like a director, not a random description. I mean, if you write a cat in the field, you'll be getting these types of generic result. But if you type, you will get these types of damn results. This is where you separate AI hobbies from AI cases. The language of cinema is your best friend. And here's the bottom line: Seedream 4.0 is not just another AI tool, it's a practical tool for creators, editors, and designers, and anyone who wants consistent, controllable visuals without spending hours Photoshop. I've been editing videos for over a couple of years, and tools like this don't just speed up work, they change the game completely. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want no fluff tutorial on AI and editing tools, and comment below your wildest sea dream prompt idea. I might feature it in the next video, and I'll catch you in the next one.